A restaurant owner showed me this. You've been cleaning the stove burners. Wrong your whole life. Today, I'm excited to share an amazing solution to a problem we all face: dirty stove burners. I learned this method from a Chinese restaurant owner, and I guarantee you will love this. First, you'll need a glass container. Pour in 500 milliliters of hot water. Now, add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar is fantastic for dissolving tough dirt and grime, making it easier to clean without harsh scrubbing. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This magical powder not only softens stubborn dirt, but also creates a fizzing reaction that lifts away grime. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach spots and is great for deodorizing as well. But before we move on, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Drop your city in the comments, and I'll give you a shout-out in the next video. Today's shout-out goes to Connie from Switzerland. Thanks for watching. Now, we'll add 3 tablespoons of regular dish detergent. This will break down stains and grease, leaving your burners sparkling clean. Next, add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. This acts as a disinfectant, killing bacteria and germs, so your surfaces are not only clean, but also sanitized. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow everything to blend properly. Submerge the burners in the mixture and add another 500 milliliters of water. Cover it with a towel and let it sit for 5 hours. 5 hours later, it's time for the big reveal. Just give the burners a quick scrub with a sponge and watch as they transform. The dirt comes off with minimal effort. No more struggling with steel scrubbers or harsh chemicals.